Welcome back to another video. So today's video is just going to be a gel polish design. I'll quickly show you the colours. So I'm using this kind of a neon yellow from Angmile. It's one of my new ones. I love this neon set. It's from Amazon. It's a really nice gel polish. So I'm going to be using the yellow, and these are both You or Sugar. They're both greys. This one is a light grey, and the other one is a dark grey. It comes across like a dark brownish later in the video, but it's not. It's a dark grey, and I'm using a white as well from Beetles. I'm just going to give these nails a quick base coat. These nail tips are full cover XXL coffin that I got from AliExpress. I've never used them before. I don't know if I like them or not. I haven't decided yet. I think I'm that used to doing, not short sets, but a lot bloody shorter than this. I've never done a set this long before. And I just kept thinking, they don't look right. They don't look right, but yeah, that's what they are. Very, very long tips. So I'm going to give the pinky and the middle finger a coat of yellow. The other two, I'm going to give a coat of the light grey. I'm going to give them a second coat. I'm going to cure the first coat for 30 seconds. And the light grey, I'm going to give a second coat. But the second coat of the light grey, I'm going to leave it wet because I'm going to do a bit of a marble. That's another thing I've never done, and I never do, is marble nails. So I've cured them yellow in the lamp, and I'm going to cure these grey as well. But the second layer I'm going to leave wet. Right, so that grey is wet, and I'm just putting a blob of white on my palette, and I'm going to put a blob of the dark grey as well. And I'm just going to use a detailer brush and just put some strokes of the white through that wet gel polish. I want most of the strokes to be white, and then just a few of them to be dark grey. I'm not wiping my brush off in between or anything. I didn't feel like I had to, it just added to it. So yeah, I'll let you watch this and I will be back. Right, I've cured those nails in the lamp now, and I'm going in with yellow, but I'm just doing a few strokes of the yellow just to help tie them in with the other nails. And you'll notice with the yellow, I'm trying to stick to the white areas, just so it shows up a bit better. Just a few strokes on each nail of the yellow, and then I'll cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Right, they're all cured now. I've pulled out these blingy wingies to go on the middle nail. So as always, I'm just going to put the bling into the top coat. And on the pinky, I'm going to use some yellow iridescent glitter, and I'm going to sugar that straight into the wet top coat as well. And that'll be the set finished. So I think I'll just let you watch, and I will see you back at the end.
Some you know and some you don't. Don't blame me for being suspicious, but I see you need something else than what you want. I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really liked you. I'm not missing you. I'm not fooling myself just like you. Some of it stays, some of it goes. Like a trend, you are a symbol of something no one ever will understand. I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really liked you. I'm not missing you. I'm not fooling myself just like you. I'd rather break my own thread like a needle and stitch you up just for you to tear it again. I'm through.
Okay, that's them finished. I just keep looking at them thinking they don't look right, and I think it's because I'm just not used to seeing long nails like this, like in front of me. I'm not used to doing long nails like this, but I do like them. I do like them. I hope you like them. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Hit that notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. Before I go as well, I just want to say I'm very close to hitting my 1,000 subscriber target. My giveaway video might even be out by now, I'm not sure, because I'm 2-3 weeks in front with my channel. So this video that I'm doing a voiceover now won't be going out for another 3 weeks. So if my giveaway video is out, I will leave it pinned in my comments. If it's not yet out, then stay tuned and keep your eyes open for that. But yeah, take care. Hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.
Make it better together. Now we're strong, don't question it. The truth will break your chains. We have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers. never gonna hold us back.